somebody. I feel so bad for them. Bruh. Somebody needs to pick her up. Can we go get her? Should we go get her? It's getting real.
Showers and thunderstorms, and on the western side of it, the severe threat is over as much cooler air filters in. Now, just off to the east and mainly near the Jennings area and into eastern Cameron Parish, where we're still ahead of the main line, that's where we still have a chance to see mainly some strong winds. An isolated tornado or hail cannot be ruled out, but at this point, I do think the main threat is strong wind gusts. And behind that front comes the much cooler air. Temperatures into the 50s for the western half of the area, so the severe threat is over for those areas. That's why you see the tornado watch having been canceled for Vernon and Beauregard parishes, and after 9 o'clock it's likely to be canceled for the rest of southwest Louisiana. That's when the edge of that line of showers and storms on the front will begin to move off to the east, and most of the heavy rain will be out here by 10 o'clock this evening. Whoa. Normal.